What's up, Blockheads? We're in the garage today, as you can see, yeah. And we're gonna be replacing the seat on the new Softail Low Rider S. So this seat here is the stock seat from the regular Low Rider, but I've been working with this company for a bit, and they sent me out this awesome seat, which I'm gonna show you guys right here. Saddlemen, 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 Saddlemen. We got a Saddlemen seat. We're gonna open this thing up. We're gonna install it on the bike, and then I'm gonna go for a ride, and I'm gonna give you guys thoughts and impressions. So, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Tori Hanzo. Nice. My brother gave me a sword, so I had to use it. Also, before I get too far into this episode is brought to you guys by Saddlemen. If y'all are looking to order a seat from Saddlemen, check out the description below and be sure to contact them through that information. They will take care of you. Big shout out to Saddlemen. I'll drop their website, like I said, link down in the description as well, or right here. Quality seats. These guys outfit an absolute ton of bikes. There's a reason they've been around for a while. Ooh, very well packaged. Ta-da! What you guys think? Let's take it outside and let's get some shots of it. Cause, boy, that looks nice.
All right, guys. Well, that's the install of the Saddlemen, and this is my first ride on the Saddlemen. So my initial first thoughts and impressions. You guys have basically been seeing kind of where my knees set, where my legs set on the new Low Rider S. So with the Saddlemen seat, this is kind of where they set with the mid controls. So, I mean, obviously the most important factor that you guys are going to be curious about is the comfortableness of the Saddlemen seat. And I will say, it is comfortable. With the back piece that basically sticks like more straight up, it's got a lot of support in that lower back, which is actually pretty nice, especially if you've got, you know, a torquier bike or something that's going to kind of cause you to kind of be thrown back a little bit. So it's, I mean, obviously holding you in. So I basically came from the stock Low Rider seat, not the stock Low Rider S seat, but the stock regular Low Rider seat. And the reason I went with that is because the Low Rider S seat pushes you further forward, which made me feel a little cramped up here. And then the regular Low Rider seat was a bit more plush, a little more comfortable. It also allowed you to scoot back about 2 to 3 inches, which was really nice. Kind of gave you some more leg room, ability to like put your legs out, you know. So this seat, it does push you further forward a little bit, but it doesn't push you as far forward as the stock Low Rider S seat. So I'm not quite as far back as the regular Low Rider seat, but I'm not quite as far forward as the Low Rider S seat. It's kind of an in-between. And I am able to scoot back a little bit. Granted, you do have that, you know, that step up, that wall. So it's like you can kind of put your butt on that a little bit and like scoot back, which is nice to have that option to kind of reposition yourself during the rides and whatnot, you know. It is a little firmer. It does have the rider gel in it. I'm pretty sure they come standard with that. And then it also has the rider gel in the passenger pillion area on the back of it. The material, I mean, I think it's leather, right? Plenty grippy on the pants, you know, I'm not sliding around anywhere. It does feel like it sets me up higher, so the last seat, you know, like I said, the stock Low Rider seat, like I was a bit more like into the bike. This one does push me up a little bit, probably by, I don't know, a couple inches, I'd say. Probably like 1 to 2 inches. I definitely feel more like upright, a little more on top of the bike, which is funny because while it does scoot you further forward, it puts you higher up, which, you know, factors into like the rider triangle. And whenever you're dealing with like the mid controls, that little extra like inch or two, you know, that it raises you up, makes your legs feel not as cramped up. So it's funny, regular Low Rider S seat, too far forward, too low, feels cramped. Regular Low Rider seat, plenty far back enough to where you don't feel cramped, but same kind of seat height, lower into the bike. The Saddlemen, further forward, but higher up, so you're basically, your legs are able to extend a little bit, and it doesn't feel as cramped. Just funny, because I never really thought of that. So, looks good. Obviously, I'm able to give you guys my first thoughts and impressions, because, you know, this is my first ride with it. But in terms of long-term review, you know, I'm gonna have to get back to you guys. I know one of the things that a lot of people do say about the Saddlemen seats is that they're pretty firm. But if you actually go on Saddlemen's website, they have different levels of like seats, and so I'm pretty sure, like they said, like this one classifies as more like an around towner, and then they do have stuff that is outfitted to be better for a long distance. Yeah, if you guys are looking for something a little more comfortable, I think Eric has one. It's called like the Road Sofa or something like that, which, I mean, dude, that just sounds crazy comfortable, right? Whenever I was talking with the guy at Saddlemen, we were basically talking about the firmness, and you know, he said you don't want a seat that's gonna end up like basically like giving out on you, like after a while. It's gonna become too mushy, because that actually doesn't help it doesn't help your posture, you know. It's not good for your back. And so in terms of, yeah, comfort, this thing feels plenty comfortable. It's skinnier in the front here, so it's not like pushing your legs out as much, which is cool. Yeah, I like it. First thoughts and impressions, like I said, I'm digging it, and it looks good. It's good. Headed to Best Buy, gotta get my phone fixed. Freaking camera is being dumb. Ooh, let's see how this bike is. The seat is on speed bumps, you know, because that's one of those considerations for seats, right? It's like your suspension's got to be good on bumps, and then the seat kind of like obviously is the first thing to absorb some of that impact from your butt and your lower back and stuff too. So going over these, it's nice. It's nice. It's got some nice absorption. It's not just like, you know, straight hard, you know. I can't feel the pan or anything like that, which is good. Yeah, I'm impressed. I like it. Thank you, Saddlemen, appreciate it. And looking forward to putting some miles on this thing. I think it's funny how upset you guys get whenever I do stupid impressions like that. And then I keep getting that people, there's like one or two people that are saying like, stop doing baby talk. I've never done baby talk. I don't get it. I really don't get it. When have I ever done baby talk? God, why is this place so busy? Reserved for expecting mothers. Yep, I'm not a mother, so I'm just gonna park this on the sidewalk. Yeah, I like it. It's really nice. Good job, Saddlemen. Like I said, if you guys are looking to scoop up a Saddlemen seat, check out the contact information down in the description below. I've been told not to say certain things, but I can tell you that they will take care of you. You know what I'm saying? You guys feel what I'm putting down? Yeah, big shout out again. Thank you, Saddlemen. I appreciate it. It's a nice seat. I like it. I like it a lot. Obviously, I'll be keeping up with you guys on, we'll do a review as we get some miles on it. So keep an eye out for that. Hit subscribe so it'll notify you when that comes out. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon also, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys, ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.